Oh, Desiree of Abundance for All, and I should not say Desiree because my name is really Desiree, which is a French verb, and I'm a French verb. And if you don't know what a verb is, well, that's the dynamics of a language. And a noun, which is my name, is, well, just a want, a desire, a longing. And that's how I live my life, with all my longings and all the longings for all the world to be a healthier place because we're so toxic. Really, really always hated it. I started my career in chemistry and I hated it. So I never did it again. And afterwards, I had a lot of other things in sciences. And in 2012, I thought, ah, it's time I became an educator. So I did. I started my own company. I'm a freelance educator and I do systemic redesigns. We redesigned harbors for biodiversity, but also for multimodal transport or for all kinds of other stuff. And we do river harbors and normal harbors, and that's the blue economy part. It's always coastal. It's always the difficult part between salt and fresh water and species, all kinds of species. And yeah, I love it. I love the complexity of it. And what is the simple complexity? That is my Shero, Lynn Margulis. Lynn Margulis gave us a beautiful movie about her work, and that is Symbiotic Earth. But she also gave us Gaia Theory, because everybody thinks that Gaia Theory was James Lovelock. He was the nuclear physicist that really looked at the whole planet, but she did the microbiology. And she was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful female mother scientist who gave us microbiology. And microbiology really taught us a lot in the world. How did she make it simple? Well, she gave us 5 kingdoms of nature. 5 kingdoms of nature are bacteria, fungi, algae, plants, and animals. Where are the humans? Well, we are mammals. We are just tiny mammals. We are 8 billion mammals. Where are the insects? Well, they're somewhere in between. Oh, don't worry about that because algae and protege and this and that and that and that, it's all biology, it's all ecology, and we all dance with it. So, how do you make that simple? Well, in 1972, there was a book written in Australia by Bill Mollison and David Holmgren, and that was permaculture. Like everything emerges on this planet. There was also a book written in Japan. It's called The One Straw Revolution. And that was by Fukuoka. By then, everybody started walking. And we had Miyawaki method, which is a form of pocket planting. So that is now used in wildfire prevention. We had, well, all kinds of indigenous styles of farming and really soil, keeping the soil not bare, uh, always covered. That is really the most simple, most wonderful principle of permaculture. Why do you need to keep the soil covered? First of all, it prevents landslides. You have roots, then you won't have landslides. So that's one thing. Of course, in certain climates. So permaculture only knows 3 climates, so that is kind of easy. The second one is that you do not evaporate the soil, which is logical. We need fresh water to stay longer on land, which is so simple. You do not evaporate. So you have a very dry climate. You will plant species that have small leaves. They do not evaporate so much. And then that will be the next session. We also tell you how to make fresh water with physics. It's so simple. Thank you for watching. Simple complexity, abundance for all. Grow some food, grow some biomass, and just use it in your own stove. You can really have an off-grid system and you can live without bills like we do in Holland. 40 families we have involved. We have Foundation Fin. We have 80 hectares of land. We really live off grids. We have no bills. It is awesome. Thank you for watching. Bye.